Hello parents, I am Joshua Obonia, the Chief Vision Officer at Tech School Educational Institution, popularly known as Tech School. As an impact-driven and social enterprise, we are raising the next generation of tech talents, leaders and industry captains for Africa and beyond by providing practical and timeless technology and entrepreneurship education for kids, teenagers and young adults, positioning our learners for global economic impact. Through our interactive and secure online classroom environment, Tech School offers a wide range of faculties and courses covering both the science and the art of technology. These courses equip our learners with the essential technology and entrepreneurship skills through hands-on project-based learning and real-life work experiences necessary for success regardless of their preferred career path. Beyond our ongoing accelerated courses, we facilitate a special program every summer intended to help the learners experience abridged versions of our courses, igniting their interest in technology and entrepreneurship, thereby empowering them with the necessary experiences to make clear learning and career decisions early in life. Tech Summer is an online summer camp for kids and teenagers, and as part of our annual scholarship scheme at Tech School, we have extended the 2024 scholarship to the super awesome kids and teenagers of the House on the Rock Church to participate in the 3 weeks program starting from the 29th of July till the 17th of August 2024. Champions who have been or will be selected for this scholarship must have a webcam-enabled laptop and a stable means of connecting to the internet to enable them to participate with other learners from any part of the world. To the parents of the champions selected, a Tech School voucher card will be issued to you, which will contain a one-time code to bypass the payment on the enrollment page and a simple guide on how to join the program. Still on the parents whose children will be or have been selected for this life-defining program, we use this medium to appeal to you to ensure your children get the best out of this program. Classes are scheduled for 4 to 6 p.m. on Mondays to Saturdays, and it's important to note that upon enrollment, all learners will be issued an account to ensure their protection from mature content, pop-up ads, private browsing, and many more adversities as they learn online. For now, that's all from Tech School Education. For more inquiries on the program, kindly utilize the links and the contact information available. I am Joshua Obonia, the Chief Vision Officer and the Principal at Tech School Education, and I can't wait to see you in class.